In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to solve for missing complementary and supplementary angles. In the problems you're going to work, you're going to be giving an angle measurement most of the time. So you just set it up with pretty simple algebra, like so. You can see here. You can look at that example of measure like 62 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 90. But I want to point out that the key of the math here is just 90, which is the uh, sum of complementary angles is always going to be 90, okay? Because it's always right to give a complement, right? So the key of the math here is just 90 minus 62, the angle that you're given. That's going to give you the answer for that first example of 28 degrees. So it's a little harder when you're not given the angle. We did an example like this in class where we're told that these two angles are complementary, and we're just given a bunch of algebra. So we're told that angle 1 is 4x minus 2, and that angle 2 is 9x plus 1. So we'll go ahead and call this angle A and angle B. And remember, we know that angle A plus angle B is going to equal 90, because that's what it means for two angles to be complementary. To solve this kind of problem, you're going to take the two angles you're given, set them equal to 90. Then you're going to follow the process of combining like terms. That's your step one here. So I have 4x plus 9x is 13x. I have negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. That still all equals 90. I then am left with a two-step equation. I'm going to add 1 to both sides, which gives me 13x equals 91. I'm going to divide by 13 and get x equals 7. If I was asked to solve for the angle and not to solve for x, I would have to take this value of x, 7, and substitute it into my original statements. So for angle A, I'd find 4 times 7, since I'm substituting that in, minus 2. So 4 times 7 is going to be 28 minus 2. So the measure of angle A is going to be 26. To do it for angle B, I would do the same thing. I'd substitute x in for 9. And I hope that helps.